Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Damaris Everyday. I am Damaris. For those of you who are joining me, thank you. So for the first time, thank you so much for subscribing and joining me tonight. If you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit a like, leave a comment. I'm always available and I'm always interested to hear what you guys have to say out there. But tonight I'm just going to talk about these Kabuki brushes that I got from this company called Cosmic Brushes. And I just keep playing with them. I've already taken them out of their little box, but it's liquid glitter in here. That is not the blood of my enemies. That's glitter, also known as the blood of my enemies. This set is called the Ruby Red set, and I mean it's so appropriately titled too, but I just call it the blood of my enemies. They had a couple of these out. I think they're sold out in this color, but if you go to Cosmic Brushes, I know that they have like rose gold and a dark blue, and if you're interested in that sort of thing, I'm pretty sure around Halloween they're gonna have black. So keep your eyes out on Cosmic Brushes if you kind of want this really cool Kabuki set. Buy them. I've already kind of started priming my face. I just kind of was, I got started without you guys, I'm sorry. But this is just, I love this. This is just the coolest thing ever. All right, yeah. Oh, like a lava lamp. That's probably why I love it. I love lava lamps. Anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and get started with this. I put a little bit of foundation on my brush, but Kabuki sets are good for foundation, powders, things like that. So I already started with my my Fenty, put a little bit on my brush, kind of blotted it a little bit on my skin. I'm covering up just ginormous scabs slash bruise from a fight that I got in with the world's largest mosquito. I've already done my eyes, which I will show you the palette that I used this evening. That's another really cool thing, but I'm noticing already after I put that on there that it's kind of seeping into the bristles. So let's get started, shall we? Wow, okay. I was told that when you use a brush set like this, to try and use a more circular type of motion, and that will pretty much cover all of the spots that you need covered. So this is the flat-headed brush that I'm using for my foundation. So not bad. I don't know if I should turn this down. But not bad cover at all. So that was the flathead brush. I used that for my foundation. So cool beans, right? Cool. Okay, so yeah, that was pretty good. The next thing that we have is the dome brush. You guys have already seen this. I just wanted to do it again. The next one we have is the dome brush, and that is used for like concealers and things like that. So I'm gonna use this, put this NYX concealer on help with some of the darker spots. Cool. Oh, shoot. This feels really good going on. I actually put too much on. But this feels really good going on. It's gonna blend nicely. It is blending very nicely. So again, I'm reminded to try and use a circular motion. I'm putting that on. Sorry. I usually go on like a little, like a round type of on my cheeks for some reason. And just do that. Ooh, wow. Okay, I wasn't too sure how I felt about getting these on, but they're going on pretty nicely. Get that up at the top. And a little bit on my chin and my nose. And some people, they always ask me, why do you put the concealer on afterwards? And I just think that it blends a lot better that way. You do not have to put concealer on before your foundation. It's okay to leave it at the top. So I'm going to use this, but I'm going to blend this out because this absorbed the liquid foundation very nicely, and I was a little concerned that it would be too flimsy, because I was like, oh, it feels so loose. But I've never owned it like a specified Kabuki set before. Although I do have Kabuki brushes, I just never really bothered to use them, to be honest. I have the one brush that I use, like, this is for my concealer, this is for this is for that. So this was just a really fun buy and not a bad one so far. What do you guys think? I think they went on pretty well. These two, you know, went on very well. Yep, they did really great. You guys are awesome. Thank you so much. Oh my god. How fun is that though? I mean, come on now. That's just, I love that. Alright, so I'm going to put those two right there because that's usually, I put out my dirty brushes in like a canister, and I recently put like some spikes on the canister to kind of tolerate it. So yeah, fun times. Alright, so next. Alright, so good job, brushes. Next we have the rounded brush. And the rounded brush is for like blushes and powders and things like that. And this rounded, tonight our blush is going to be brought to you by Lunatic Labs, and I'm going to use Elvira's 35th anniversary edition blush, because the Super Unleaded blush, this pink right here, is really super cute. I love this. So That's what it should have been called. It's just super cute. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of that. I think I put too much of it on. And yes, I do. I always smile when I put on my blush. Smile. So I love that because I love this color because it's like it's blush, but it's just it's not overwhelming. So I do love this blush. It's perfect, and I like putting the apples on my cheeks because I don't know. So not bad. This is a really nice brush as well. You know, again, they're working out a lot better than I thought that they would. I knew that I would enjoy the brushes, obviously, but you know, they're also very functional. So yeah, I really am digging these brushes. So this is really awesome. The other two, to be honest, I'm not really too sure what these are. Sorry. They're two angled type brushes. So I know this one I think would be too harsh for my setting powder, so I'm going to use this one right here. And let's see, setting powder, that's actually Lunatic Labs as well. And this is the mystifying, mattifying powder that they have. Sorry, I'm spitting. And you just kind of open it like that, you know, and it goes all the way around. Both ways. There's like a magnet and stuff, so that's pretty cool, right? All right, so I'm gonna use the setting powder to kind of just round out my face a little bit, and I'll probably put a little bit more on my eye. No, I don't need that. We're just playing with brushes tonight, so yeah. Okay, so not bad. Picked up on brushes pretty good. They all picked up pretty well. So wow, I don't even think I'm going to put on any lipstick. There's really no need. I like this. Alright, so the brushes went on really well. I think that these were really, really good buy. I would recommend them. They are from overseas though. They're from the UK, so you are not only paying like additional for shipping and handling, but you will also pay like it has to be converted from pounds to dollars, and that's how you're paying. So pounds to dollars is significantly a little higher. I was able to grab these during a sale, and you know, I'm just letting you know, like, if you're interested, they're worth, you know, the money. They're unique, I think, you know. But you know, for just to give you a heads up, you know, these are they are overseas. Maybe do something with my hair. My eye palette that I used tonight is by, well, it's not a company. I don't know where. I've been looking all over for this palette. It was originally, it showed up in Hot Topic. I mean, I don't know about the rest of you, but I don't blow any. I've been shopping at Hot Topic for a very long time. And so this handbook for the recently diseased is what I'm wearing on my eyes tonight. I've been looking for this palette for a long time because I love novelty type of items. I love Tim Burton, Beetlejuice, the whole thing. And so this is what I used on my eyes tonight. And I use this teal type of color, this shimmery mauve type of color, a little bit of purple under my eyes, in the black. So that's what I got for you guys tonight. I think that the brushes worked out very nicely. I think that they're super beautiful, and you know, a really good buy if you like, you know, just if you kind of just want something different. So I'm just gonna show you guys again, okay? How gorgeous is that? It is very fluid, very liquidy, you know, and they really did the trick tonight. So that's pretty much it. That's all I really wanted to show you guys tonight. It's been a little bit since, you know, I've done a face-to-face type of video. I'm gonna try and get a little bit more adjusted to a schedule for you guys. I just have to kind of work that out between my other schedules that I have, because I work a regular job, you know. I work a 9 to 5, you know, I do my own freelancing. You know, I put myself out there for a lot of different artistic venues and things like that. I do a lot of photography and art requests. So, and recently digital requests as well. I've actually made a lot of different backgrounds and things for people. So, you know, there's a lot going on, but I will still come to you with really cool stuff like this, you know, really cool stuff like the handbook for the recently deceased. And I also have a quick DIY that I'm gonna put up for you guys. So, you know, just thank you so much for hanging in there and coming back, and you know, and subscribing and being a supporter. I'm a supporter as well. If any of you out there, you know, would like to connect or would like for me to support your channel, by all means, drop your information down there. I'm more than happy to check you out. But that's pretty much it for tonight. I think that these are just super glamorous, very glorious. I think that, you know, Blood of My Enemies was a way better title, but they settled for Ruby Red. I don't work there, so. But go ahead and click the link in this video to see the other type of brushes that they have. Unfortunately, the red is sold out, but I have it hard in my mind that around autumn, come September, you know, keep an eye on this company, because they tend to change it up. They have a lot of pinks and blues out right now because of Easter and spring, so they tend to go with the seasons, like most you know, retailers do, you know. So thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for tuning in. I really do hope that you guys enjoy the brushes and that you check out this company. It's called Cosmic Brushes. Again, go ahead and click hit subscribe, hit a like, leave a comment. I'm more than happy to talk and, you know, kind of vibe with you guys. So thank you very much again. My name is Damaris. You were watching Damaris Every Day, and enjoy.